Hello, my name is Bhargav Ramani and today talk about Break and Donets. It's my project. This is a charity funding event and designed to support the educations for unprivileged children. It is a combined and baking workshop with the main full causes, giving a people to change, learn, enjoy and give back the communities. The idea behind this event is very simply we event we invited students, staffs, and community members to join our baking workshops. Is called Bake with Us. Uh, in these workshops, people will learn how to make a simple but delicious baked goods. After bakings, we will those items and is all the money we raise will go forward to supporting children's educations. This project is not only about fundraising but is also brings peoples together and building sense of the community. The breaks goods are sold but profit go to help children for a poor backgrounds get educations. The main purpose of Break and Donets is the rise at least 1200 by the 18th August 2025, and we aim to have a more than 100 participants include the both students and the staff from the Ravensbourne University join us the baking workshops and the sale seasons. The other key goals is the work with a small but a strong team of the student team who will with bakings, promotions and the event setups. We chose baking for this event because it is already popular hobby in UK. In fact, research show that over 41 million peoples in UK bake at homes. It means there is a high chance the baking events will be accurate attentions and the baking is also affordable, fun, creatives and peoples can enjoy learning a new skills, working as a teams and creative something tasty, contributing a good causes. This project will include organizations in the workshops, selling to a bake goods and the using of money for education supports. We will have a team of few students teams, each with the specific roles. Those roles include a bakings, promoting the events, managing setups and the helping with sales. The plan is make the event enjoyable and the participants the profitable or charity goals. Our project use a matrix teams structures because it is allow to good communications. I will be the project manager and making sure everything is a track on and well organized. The operation manager will be handle the baking process and make sure safety rules are followed. The quality manager will check the food items and the quality standard. The service manager will welcome and the guidance. The marketing manager will focus on promoting and the eventing both online and offline. Finally, the financial manager will keep track on the budgets and manage the accounts. We have a clear timelines for the events. We book the venue and equipment by the 18th of the July. Team will be confirmed by the 25th of the July. The recipe and ingredients and list will be ready for the 31st of the July. The team trainings and the role assignment will be completed by 12th of the August. The event setup will be take place on the 13th August. An event itself will run from the 8th to 18th of the August. Communications is the very important for your success. We will daily phone calls and check your progress. Email will use the updates and the team about the task. Baking activity and financial report. We will also have a weekly meetings on the Microsoft Teams to discuss a weekly and solve any issue. Our main stockholders include the students, staffs, sponsors, charity, partners, and the local bakeries. The quality and safety are a top priority. We'll use a fresh, high quality ingredients for all baked goods. Good food safety, such as a proper hygienic storage and the informations will be strictly followed. We will also ensure that fire safety equipment and sanitizers and waste management systems are in place, keep everyone safe. We have identified some possible risks and planned solution from them. The safety risk will be reduced through trainings and the hygienic rules, and the financial risk will be managed by creating a carefully budgeting and controlling spendings. Bad weather and power cut will be handled by the having breakups, power supplies, and the managing cost carefully cause the event setup affected. We will be make sure our success in the three main way. The first, by checking we raise our revenue target is 1200. The second, training how to many people to attract event at least 100 participants, and the third one is making sure will be provide the excellent customer service and the through well trained them. For our budgetings, we use a bottom up cost estimate methods. This means we look at each a small part of projects, estimated the cost of each, and then add them together. This helps us get a more accurate total cost and avoid surprise plus later. Event planning skills and the importance of the communications. Face challenges in scheduling, research, and using a planning tools, and overcome those with research, tutorials, guidance, and the teamworks. In conclusions, bakes and donuts is not just about making cakes and cookies. It is about coming together as a communications, learning a new skills, and making a difference lives of the children who need to educations. I believe these projects will be both enjoyable and impactful. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will join us the events. Thank you.